Finally, an app that will convert your steps into money.
Hi guys, so welcome to another I Try series where I test out different updates from different top content creators from different part of the world to see if they actually works for me. All right, because something actually works for another person does not mean it's going to work for you. In this her video, she actually made mention that you can actually work and actually earn some cash. Another thing you have to know that there are a lot of other applications that actually offers this particular opportunity. There are a lot of other applications, and unfortunately some of them don't work, some of them actually works, some of them don't work based on my location, some of them cannot work on your location, some of them might not work in your location, but the truth is some of them actually really works. That is it. So I saw this one, and based on what she explained in this video, I just want to share it with you guys, and I also want to try it out personally to see if this works and if this has any potential, if you can actually work and earn this amount of money. If you're seeing me for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. Please, I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all the community members, all those of you that actually join my community on YouTube. I actually appreciate you guys. You are the reason why this channel is still active. I really appreciate you. God bless you. And if you have not joined my YouTube community, please do well to join. That's how you support my efforts. Please join the community so that you can keep the channel running. Thank you guys. I really appreciate.
And I'm also going to show you proof of payment from this very much app.
All right, so first of all, if you hear the video, she says she has done it and she has proof of payment. All right,
so the app that I'm talking about, it is called walktask.
She said the app that she is talking about is called walktask. Thank God this is actually available in my location. Our tradition here, we like reading reviews because it's very important, so just bear with me. All right, so first of all, this app right here has 4.1 stars on Google Play Store, over 155,000 downloads. So that una get updates like this, una the high update for this country. 155,000 people has reviewed this app on Google Play Store. Well, not bad. Let's see. All right, if I scroll this, we can see that this app has 1 million downloads. Okay, so when was this particular application actually released? On the 21st of August 2024, which means this app is not even up to 1 year. This app is not up to 1 year, but when I see the hide updates, if this app is not up to 1 year and this app has over 1 million downloads, which means that might be a good thing. It might be a good thing. All right, so let's check it out. Now, these are the reviews. Best and original, pays properly. I really like the whole thing. All right, there are only a few ads in it, so it doesn't really interfere. Okay, the next review right here say earning cash on this app is super legit. Payment through PayPal. My friends and I are using these on our daily basis. Wow, that is amazing. Okay, the next review right here saying super legit and proven to pay properly. Okay, it's not in vain. I just opened the reviews and I'm seeing 1 star. Now, what happened? This person also expressed his frustration. This other person right here said app is like any other working app for coins. Okay, point. I have gotten a few gift cards. Some people actually like the app, while some people don't really enjoy the app, so it's actually both ways. All right, so this is good and this is also bad. So personally for me, I don't want to bore you, I just want to go ahead and install the app, but because of this app, I'm actually going to go out right now to work and let's see if this actually works for me. She actually made some cash and she actually withdrew her money. This is a very healthy exercise, so let's get working, guys. I went out, I went to a nearby campus and I decided to test out this app. So I actually worked for some time, and yeah, some things I actually noticed, you know, while I'm using this particular app. So I'm going to share my experience right here. You know, I told you guys I'm going to go and test this. People that are on my TikTok page, they actually know that I did. Okay, let's go through this. Okay, first of all, you're going to see that I actually walked 5,344 steps, 13 coin, 14 coin. All the walking I walked, I just got 14 coin. All right, so there are some things I'm going to share with you guys in this particular video today. Number one, if you are depending on your work to actually hit the minimum withdrawal, that's going to be very, very hard. If you're just depending on, man, I just install this app, let me just be working and be collecting the coins, it's going to be very, very hard before you actually hit the minimum withdrawal, which is 5,000 coin, 5,000 feet, and I got just 15 coin. So it means I have to walk like 100,000 feet if I even start climbing 100 coin, you understand? So it's going to take a long time for you to, if you're just walking, you understand, for you to actually make money with this method. This app also has other features like their offers and their surveys. Now these surveys can work based on your location. So based on the location that you are, these surveys might work for you, it might not even work for you. But if you try it out and the survey actually work on your location, do well to let me know in the comment section below. I really appreciate that. But the truth is that nobody knows. The survey might actually work, it might not even work out for you, you understand? Yes, so that is just what I'm going to tell you. And another thing, they have an affiliate program here. Their referral program is, they say they give you 10 coins for each person you refer. I think so, yes, 10 coins. So you can also try their referral program to see if that one will also work out for you, you understand? Yes, the app is actually free, so you can share it to your friends, your loved ones. Mind you, this app cannot make you rich at all. This app can only help you earn side income, and it's going to take a long time for you to earn a tangible amount of money here. If you want to earn more, you have to do their offers, take their surveys, and do other tax like their Telegram tax and all those ones. So they have a lot of other tax. But if you are depending on working alone, you will never be able to make a tangible amount of money as you actually want it. That is it. And please guys, I always advise you guys, when I talk about learning an online skill, most of you think it's a joke. You have to learn an online skill in 2025 if you want to enjoy the market, be it content creation, affiliate marketing, coding, copywriting, you understand, blogging. You actually have to learn something. Video editing, guys, the reason why I keep talking about video editing is because the truth is that a lot of people are becoming content creators. Now, it's not all of them that know how to edit videos. So if you learn video editing, you can become a content creator on your own. You can edit video for content creators. You can work for different brands. That's why I keep talking about it, because there's a lot of potential in video editing. A lot of people are doing YouTube. A lot of people are doing Facebook, even TikTok, but they don't know how to edit. But if you learn this skill right here, and with your smartphone, you can use CapCut to edit good videos for yourself. So this is a skill that you need to learn. So if you're interested, just check the description of this particular video. I'm going to drop a link for you. You can just go through it, and if you like it, you can actually give it a try. Anyways, if I actually hit the minimum withdrawal for this app right here, I'm definitely going to let you guys know that, hey, I've actually hit the minimum withdrawal, and this is how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated.